Pound yen, we had amazing trade. Even though if you look ahead, the prices developed sideways market. We had a long trade, then we had a short trade here, this short trade here. Then when price respected, we also had a long, and then price respected here. Then we also had a short, and then we also had a long trade here, still holding long. And now let me share with you guys how we analyze all those entries in intraday and help our traders not to miss any of these opportunity and bank amazing profit. Now, let me share with you every single analysis. Hello traders. Today is the 6th of November 2025. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market today and help our traders to squeeze amazing profit. What a blessing day, guys. Let's look at the analysis. So if you look at the pound dollar, guys, we already mentioned this reversal at the Asian session. If you look ahead, which is a pretty straightforward, if you look ahead, the price developed in 4-hour candle. You can see a double bottom here, price nicely broken. So we had this Asian session breakout, but if you look ahead, this after this breakout, price came back and give us the confirmation high probability trade. We had a long trade here. Today we had also high impact news for the cable, which is the monetary policy summary and official bank rate, but that hasn't make any difference to this pound dollar. But we had some nice reversal, but after that price continue up. So we been banking profit, only pull back. So let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries and exit in intraday, which is the pretty straightforward. You can see here, this is the Asian session analysis. We had a pretty straightforward price broken, and after this breakout, we also mentioned about these pullbacks. Let me share with you guys the other analysis. So we had mentioned another one, as mentioned here, any pullback, beautiful pullback continuation. Then we had it another breakout trade here, which is a pretty straightforward after the news release. We had this pretty straightforward as mentioned to our trader. You can see a price nicely respected this previous high, so looking for this breakout, price nicely broken and hit to the profit target. We had bank amazing profit. Price came back here and then break above this again. Then we have taken another long trade. Let me share with you guys how we analyze it. That analysis, that was a pretty straightforward. You can see here, beautiful breakout, and after that continuation. And even if you look at the right now, the price is still going up, momentum is bullish, so most of the traders really enjoy this nice long trade on pound dollar. Euro USD, more or less the same price action we had it. If you look ahead, Asian session, we had this price already developed our bottom, price nicely broken and continuation. So let me share with you how we analyze the entries and exit, and that was a pretty straightforward. We had this beautiful breakout, that the Asian session breakout, we had it, and afterwards, as mentioned, taking any pullback would consider high probability trade. So we had, as mentioned here, any pullback, price nicely developed pullback, and then later on at the New York session, we also had this beautiful pullback trade on Euro USD. And if you look at right now, price is still going up. So what a beautiful trade, guys. And let me show you the pound yen. Pound yen, we had amazing trade. Even though if you look ahead, the prices developed sideways market. We had a long trade, then we had a short trade here, this short trade here. Then when price respected, we also had a long, and then price respected here. Then we also had a short, and then we also had a long trade here, still holding long. And now let me share with you guys how we analyze all those entries in intraday and help our traders not to miss any of these opportunity and bank amazing profit. Now, let me share with you every single analysis. Okay, so if you look at the pound yen this morning, we had this beautiful, breakout short trade here. I'm talking about this short trade. We had it, price nicely broken, came back here, beautiful short trade here, and afterwards we had another beautiful trade here. That was a beautiful long trade here. That was a pretty straightforward. If you look at here in 4 hour, price nicely respected here. So we had this long trade. In intraday, we need a valid technical entry. You can see a pretty straightforward price develop, even respected, broken, and give us respection. You respected here. You can see that give us the high probability price nicely broken based on this analysis, and pull back, pull back, pull back. Squeeze amazing profit, guys, on pound yen. Then we had another analysis, short trade here, which is a pretty straightforward. If you look at the analysis here, pay attention to detail. We were looking a pullback here. If not, let the price break, give us the confirmation for short. What happened here? The price did not develop pullback. Instead, price broken, give us the confirmation, and then beautiful short trade hit to the previous low level. And that's why we suggest our traders time to bank some profits. So that was a beautiful short trade here. Then we had it another beautiful short trade, pretty straightforward. This was the last short trade we had it, and then later on we had amazing long trade, guys. This is a pretty straightforward, as mentioned to our trader. Price develop a false breakout, so that give us the high probability. Price nicely broken, and even now, if you look at the price, is still going up. You can see here, beautiful breakout, pull back, hit to the profit target. That's what we're going to suggest our traders time to bank some profit. So we had an amazing long trade, guys, on pound yen. What a beautiful day, guys. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy this analysis. But if you want to see those analysis in real time with a live audio commentary support, guys, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a nice day. Until next time, all the best.